Hi, today we have Peugeot 307 with 2-liter HDi engine. I'm going to show you how to change the oil filter and air filter. I'm going to start by removing the oil filter. The oil filter is located here next to the alternator, and it can be opened with a 27mm wrench. After removing the oil filter, I'm going to raise the vehicle to drain the oil. I have raised the vehicle, so now I'm going to open the plug. The plug can be opened with a 8mm hex wrench. I have opened the plug and I have drained the oil. So while I wait for the oil to drain completely, I'm going to replace the oil filter. The oil filter is very easy to remove, just pull it out from the housing. With a small screwdriver, I remove the rubber seal. So now I'm going to install the new oil filter. Here I have new oil filter that I'm going to install on this vehicle. The oil filter is very easy to install, just press it like this, and all I have to install the rubber seal. And now the oil filter is ready to be installed in the vehicle. The oil is almost drained. I'm going to install the plug, tighten it with 8mm hex wrench. After installing the plug, I have lowered the vehicle, and now I'm going to install the oil filter. I have installed and tightened the oil filter with 27mm wrench. So now I'm going to refill with oil. I'm going to refill it with 540 because my country is very hot, and that's why I'm using 540. On some colder climate it should be running on 530, and to refill I need around 5.2 liters of oil. I have refilled with 5 liters of oil, so now I'm going to check on the oil dipstick. Now, as we can notice, now the oil is on the max, but when we start the vehicle it's going to be a little lower. That's why according to the manual needs 5.2 liters of oil. Now I'm going to remove the air filter. The air filter are holding 4 bolts that can be opened with a screwdriver. I have removed the air filter housing. Now I can remove the air filter. Here I have new air filter that I am going to install on the vehicle. You can see the difference. I have installed the air filter, tightened it, so now I can start the engine. Now to reset the service, I have to press and hold this button and turn the ignition on. And I have to wait for 10 seconds to reset the service. And now the service is resetted. You can see the spanner key is gone. Also, I can recheck the oil level again. Now to recheck the oil level again, I'm going to wipe the oil dipstick. And as we can notice, the oil is almost at the max because the engine was started, and after a couple of minutes it will be exactly on the max. So this means that I am finished. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and thank you for watching.